So now I hope we have understood here the volume of cuboid. Volume of the remaining portion is volume of cuboid minus volume of cone. Take LCM and solve it. Divide it. You can leave your answer in fractions also. Now question number 5. 16 glass sphere, each of radius 2 centimeter. Now see, 16 glass spheres, each of radius 2 centimeter, are packed in a cuboidal box of internal dimension 16 into 8 into 8. It means these spheres, how many spherical glass? 16, and that is to be packed into cuboidal box. And what is dimension of the cuboidal box? 16 L into B into H, and then box is filled with water, and whatever the space is left, water is filled in. Find the volume of water. So what is the volume of water, student? Can you tell me? Where the spheres are kept? In the cuboidal box. It means volume of cuboid minus volume of 16 spheres. What means? What is the volume of a sphere, student? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is for 1. And how many? 16 multiplied by 16. You got it here. So volume of box L into B into H. Volume of remaining space for water is volume of cuboidal box minus volume of 16 sphere. This question is interesting. Look at this penny stand. Fine. If you can see this pointed, the shape is conical. This is conical, conical, conical. So how many this conical tip is there? 4. And what is this shape of this stand? Cuboid. Follow? Now read the question. A penny stand made up of wood at the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depression to hold pins. 4 conical depression. This is holder, conical shape. The dimensions of the cuboid 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. So this is dimension of the cuboid. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4. The radius is given this is here depressed. So radius is given 0.5 centimeter and the depth means height of this cone is 1.4. So what is the volume of 4 conical depression? 4 into volume of 1 cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r 0.5 was given and depth was given 1.4. It means it is height. Followed me? So simple calculation over here. And the volume of cuboid L into B into H calculated. And what is asked? Volume of wood is wood in stand. Wood in stand means this space here occupied by this conical depression. So you can subtract this 4 conical depression. So volume of wood minus volume of 4 conical depression. So this is your answer. Followed. See again I am asking you this mensuration, lots of calculation, and all the calculation you please do it on your own here on right side. Time and again I am repeating you saying do not just copy, do this calculation on your own. Question number 7. A cuboidal block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. It means this block is the combination of what? Cube plus hemisphere. And what is the size of the cuboidal box? 7 cm. It means what is the diameter of this hemisphere? Diameter 7. Radius 7 upon 2. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can we have? Diameter is equal to the side of it. It means 7 is the diameter, so radius is 7 upon 2. Also find the surface area of the solid. Students, surface area. Surface area. Now here it is very interesting. you have to understand here. The hemisphere, this is kept over is the top. Please listen to me again. First you tell me how many surfaces for the cube. How many surfaces for the cube? Are you aware of this? 6. Each surfaces are in a square shape, right? So 6 surfaces, but out of this 6, on one surface, what is kept? Hemisphere. Followed? So how many surfaces are left? 5. So what is the area over here? Surface area of the cuboidal figure? 5a square. You should understand why this a square is not taking, because here sphere is kept. Right? So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and one surface we have left, so it is 5a square. So total surface area of this figure is 5a square plus 2 pi r square. I hope you understood, and substitute the value. A is this, and radius is half of the side. 2 pi r square. Calculate it. Now the last question. This question number 8 is very, very important. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of cylinder is 10 cm and the base radius is 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. Now student, you have to understand over here, whenever a figure is given in the combination and from this solid figure, from the cylinder, this figure is scooped out, means taken out. इसको बाहर निकाल लिया गया इस हेमिस्फीयर को. तो वुडन ब्लॉक में से आप ये स्फीयर निकालोगे हेमिस्फीयर, तो वहां पर जब कार्व करोगे तो ये शेप क्या बचेगा? ये शेप अंदर किसका बचेगा? हेमिस्फीयर का ही. So when we are talking about the total surface area, we never subtract. We always add. So how many figures are there? One is hemisphere, cylinder plus another hemisphere. So total surface area of this cylinder is curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. You can do it practically at home. You can take out one potato or anything, potato, and you just carve out any figure. If you carve out cone, so you will just see that when you carve out cone, impression of cone will be there. It means that is curved surface area. That will be added, will not subtract that. So 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square. And here base is same for hemisphere, base is same for cylinder. So radius will remain for same for the hemisphere and for the cylinder. So just substitute again the value and calculate it. I hope you can do it. So all the calculation you do on right side. If any doubt anywhere, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you.